YouTube. Back again. Listen. I have a chat video. No usually react to chat, but yo, I'm just say a video, bro. Shit go crazy. That I can see like 250. That shit went crazy. But chat 250. I spent a night in Back Road, Jamaica's red light district. You know. So I go on to Back Road chat, 5 grand. Them said the thing there. I got me Back Road
Night,
chat.
yeah, dude.
4 grand,
Nice.
5 grand from the
How long it last? Alright, tomorrow.
till you my win, sir.
I still lie, differently.
Alright, go on home to your girlfriend. This is not the place for you.
Yeah. What do you mean, more?
You're probably wondering why the heck am I spending a night?
That's an interesting room. A very interesting room. You know, sir? I never some expect that room to look. Very interesting room, sir.
Back road.
Hold on. I'm listen, I ain't a judging ass nigga. Why is there peanut butter on this nigga dressing, bro? You know, we're watching videos.
Wondering why the heck am I spending a night on back road? Me too. Trust me. But just hold on, there's a reason behind all of this. Before actually going to back road, I just thought it was just one long strip of road for real. You know, them must sell them ray and everybody just yeah, I thought it was really and truly just like a pickup spot where workers worked around late at night, workers of the night was working late at night and you just pick them up and you drop them back off when you guys are done conducting business. So I packed my little spend a night bag and I was waiting on Wayne to pick me up. The one and only
Lane Rockets.
You guys know anytime I'm doing something foolishness, call it Wayne.
I'm here. You know what's wrong with that? Portmore, Jamaica. No one chat first night.
Portmore look nice.
Portmore, Jamaica.
Yo, bro. This is not Jamaica. Ain't no way this is Jamaica. So Portmore host them look, brother? Yeah, joke, brother. A troll thing, dog.
No one chat first night. On the back road. So
bro, that have to be a
fake.
You know what I'm saying?
Driving over there, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous. Not only was it the first time I was picking up my camera since summer started, but I also didn't know what to expect, and I didn't even know if we'd be able to get through recording the entire video for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was sitting here and genuinely nervous about something that's one, an everyday road that people take, and two, an everyday place that customers do come.
Alright.
And people do work. So it's one of those things where I felt like, man, you see, like when you know about something but you don't have the information about it, you make up these like thoughts in your head about it. But you guys don't have to guess and think. We're going there right now. So I'm spending the night at Back Road for the very first time. The night is young and I'm semi-hopeful, but I am a little bit pessimistic that this will work out and we will get somebody to talk to us. So let's go talk to the ladies of the night. And just as I suspected, one of the girls recognized me, and I mean instantly. All right, guys. So the first problem we run into, the girl them recognized me. So the woman said, "No man, I see him from somewhere." She couldn't tell where she knew me from, but she swore my face was recognizable, and that was enough for her to say no. So we found a solution. So I'm gonna spend the night here. I'm at Cookies on Back Road. Let's go. And for once tonight, being recognized was not a bad thing. It might have been a little bit too much of a good thing.
Bad bitch. No copyright track. Damn, nigga, what the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie, I would have never thought that Back Road had all of these things. Like, we're in a strip club on Back Road. This is 5-star.
5-star?
After I wiped this very hard-working woman's saliva out of my ear, Wayne and I decided to...
No, what I said out, man. You know, like, mama, you know, my ears for that. Mama, the liquid for them earwax for that. Oh, God. What if we clean ears to them, mama? Oh, God, mama.
call it give back to the community.
But
Night.
give back
Night,
to the
yeah, Jesus.
community.
4 grand for 6, 5 grand for 6 on budget.
How long you last? Right, tomorrow come?
Till you come a Wednesday.
Why? I still I know differently.
Alright, go on home to your girlfriend. This is not the place for you.
I want to cause. Yeah, man. You look nice, see?
Thanks.
How much?
Jesus.
No, you look kinda young. I mean, I just try to punish.
Sick.
I lie.
3-6.
You look good, man. I lie. You know, look 360 now. Do me a
No, I
bit.
don't do 360. I don't know for the maths.
Alright, just turn around for me. I'm still a body there.
Turn around.
Please and thanks. Come on, business idea, you know. Talk to me. Aye. How much?
For 5, 5 and scissor.
5 grand with Ed?
Yeah.
This
Right
is
next.
our
Right in the
reception
sun.
area.
They
And
can
if you
park
look
right
behind
next.
me, you'll see our
I'll park up.
dedicated customer service
I'll
reps.
park up down this and walk up down on the street.
Alright,
Hi
sure, no
guys,
problem.
Oh, good though.
come follow me.
She
Mm.
look good. She look young.
Yeah, bro.
She
And she look
actually look
like,
good. What the
Son.
body? What
yeah,
on?
she look like a good girl.
Yeah, nah, what's she doing out here?
She look like a good girl. My number one fear is somebody seeing me before the video was to go out. I say, yo, Mr. Chad, look your back road, you know. Damn.
Expose you, nigga. Yo, bro. You know that? Yo, bro. I thought you was raw, bro. No one gonna say that about her. That
What
word.
happened to my career?
Oh, you just dropped the video, see him?
They
Drop the
just
video
dropped the video
same
same
night.
day, bro.
I really wish we got the chance to come on a lit night where everybody was outside. So I feel like we might have to run back a part 2. So we are here at, what's the name of your bar?
Liquid Fix and Bar.
So we're here at Club Liquid Fix and Bar. We're here, we're on, you said the hit strip.
Alright.
Could you tell me how long you've been around here? How long you've been running a bar here?
Well, I've been here for about 6 years. Quite some time.
No, you have the
Mm.
best looking bar on the street, I must say. I like how your bar looks on the outside. I was like, what is that over there? And he was like, just go, don't be scared.
We have a page that you can
Tell him the
check
page.
too.
Tell him the page. We want to know.
It's Club Liquid Fix.
Club Liquid Fix.
Right. We're on Instagram and Facebook.
Instagram and Facebook. All right, all right. And then what are the must-do things here on the? You said hip strip or hit strip?
Hit strip.
Hit.
You can call it hip strip. It's hit strip.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Here is basically nightlife.
Nightlife.
You must be
Yeah.
18 and over.
Gotcha.
Must
Do you
be
feel like
18
the hit
over.
strip gets a bad name?
Yes, it gets a bad name because of what has happened in the past, the incident, and I think it is over escalated. It shouldn't be like that because
Yeah.
I mean everywhere you have violence.
I definitely do feel like out of everywhere I said I was gonna visit, they were over exaggerating about
Yes,
here the most.
yes,
And
yes.
it's been a peaceful vibe. It's been a fun vibe.
Exactly.
I went and visited the nightclub.
Yeah.
I had a great time. Now I'm just looking for something to eat. Well, thank you for answering my questions. I really do appreciate you. So, guys, we got our very
Appreciate
first
you.
person, and it might be our very only person to speak to
Yeah.
us tonight, which was a positive because she had a lot of great things to say, and she was actually super informative. So, shout out to.
Sure.
Oh shoot, what was the name of the club?
Bombard.
No, she just helped me out so much. I'm gonna pop the name up right here. Pow! Guys,
Wow.
I don't want to
Club
call this a
Liquid
fail
Fix.
because I've never been out here. There is nowhere that they would allow me to spend the night. A lot more people recognized us than I would have thought or would have wanted. So we might have to try it again. Stay tuned for part 2. And if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more like this, comment down below where you want me to go. I'll spend the night anywhere. I promise you
Chill
that. I'll
out.
see you in the next one. Peace.
So see a new whatever man just said. Yeah, that's all I say, bro. You coming to Spain, nigga? I ain't coming to Spain, nigga. Hey, shout out to Chad, they all doing thing like calm little video about Chad, you know what I'm saying? Calm little bit. Back road antics. What is that? One was I'm off.